Hello, I'm Nina, which is short for Ninetta. I was born in South Africa, but at the moment I live in France. I have spent more than 20 years in the corporate world. Most of them have been in finance. I'm a qualified chartered accountant in South Africa, and I spent roughly 10 years in the banking industry. After I had my children, I quit banking, but I remained in the financial sector. I was doing freelance consulting for small, medium enterprises. I was drafting and reviewing financial statements, budgets, forecasts, and all sorts of tax regulation. However, tax regulation in South Africa is quite different to this. I have decided to draw on my own experience learning French and to become a language coach. My focus is on business English. I also quite like working with children, especially in the age group 8 to 10 years when they are preparing for college. I have realized there is quite a gap in the level of English between the primary school and college, especially in the rural areas. My courses for children are a little bit more informal, where we focus more on conversational skills and maybe a little bit more vocabulary, not necessarily strict grammar. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I do speak some French. I'm still not 100% bilingual. Si vous avez une question, pas de souci. Parfois, c'est pas facile de répondre, mais j'essaie. Ek kan Nederlands wel verstaan, maar ek antwoord terug in Afrikaans. I have a very basic knowledge of Italian, but I'm afraid that is completely rusted. I will not even try to speak for the moment.